Hey guys, it's Poochie. I have been selling online for over 27 years. Let's talk about the one way that Amazon says is completely okay to drop ship. That would be wholesale drop shipping. And this website makes it a whole heck of a lot easier to start that or expand that. Let's have a look. Okay guys, so I hope you noticed that we've changed our setup here a little bit in the home office. I have a new camera, new audio, so I hope that makes for a better experience for you. Drop a note in the comments and let us know if it does. So this website is specifically wholesale products, okay? You don't have to have a license. You don't have to have a tax ID number. If you do have a tax ID number, you can sign up with them for tax exempt, so you don't have to pay taxes on any of the purchases that you make. You can also just sign up as an individual though and purchase the products at wholesale prices. So how does this work? You can purchase in bulk from specific suppliers, or you can also drop ship from specific suppliers. So let me show you how this works. Let's go to the wholesale catalog. The website is 3Com Hub, and what the 3Coms are is online e-commerce, okay? That is one. The other is wholesale drop shipping. That is the other of the 3Coms. The third is brick and mortar. You can use this for brick and mortar stores as well if you want to order products. So let's go in and see some of the warehouses that 3Com Hub offers, okay? All of the collections on their website or categories are based on certain warehouses, okay? There are warehouses all throughout the United States that will be added to this website. Let's go to Wholesale Dropship Warehouse number 1, okay? Let's check this out. So what you have here is, let's say, Golden State Warriors lamp. Okay, Golden State Warriors lamp, you see a picture of it here. You can use this picture in your listing if you want to list it on Amazon, on eBay, on, wherever you want to drop ship, Poshmark, on Mercari, on Facebook Marketplace, etc. So it's $33.75 shipping calculated at checkout. You can go right to checkout and hold on a second. You can add it to cart. You can go right to checkout and it will give you the shipping cost to whatever zip code that you enter in. Okay. So it's pretty fail safe. It's pretty easy. It shows you how big it is. So if you need to enter that in the shipping, sorry, we're a bird rescue here at the home office and the birds are definitely letting you know that today. So I don't know if you can hear them or not. Hopefully the new microphone cuts out the birdage a little bit. So let's go back to check out some more. Let's go to Wholesale Dropship Warehouse number 2. Okay. So all these products you can drop ship onto whatever platform you want, as long as the platform doesn't have any specific rules about the certain product. But you see all sorts of products here. You can also, if you want to buy in bulk for your brick and mortar store, you can do that as well from the dropship suppliers. If you want to carry some NFL lamps, if you want to carry some NBA lamps, you can get them and carry them in your store. Also, we have a lot of other products. It's not just lamps. Let's look and see what else there is. I mean, apparently there's a lot of lamps, but there are wallets. I know there are wind chimes. We've sold several of their wind chimes. See, wind chimes, clocks. They have Elvis, Lucy, James Dean, NFL, NBA, all sorts of stuff. And like I said, 3Com Hub will be adding more suppliers as time goes on to their website. Let's go look at one that is just a wholesale website. Okay. Well, let's look at this one. This is wholesale case lots. Okay. So you can order these, but you have to order a case lot. Okay. So let's say you want to order this Spider-Man. Okay. 24 12-inch Spider-Man backpacks, $380.70. Shipping will be calculated not at checkout on these items, but depending on how much you order, you will pay for the items and then you will pay for checkout at a later time. Dolls, I mean, there's all sorts of stuff here. Let's look at another wholesale warehouse. This one. It also will show you where everything is shipping from. Okay, so if you're doing a drop ship order, say onto eBay, and you want to list the product on eBay, you need to know the zip code where it is coming from. Okay, the birds. You need to know the zip code where it's coming from because eBay requires that. Then when the item ships to the customer, the zip code where the USPS or UPS or wherever says it shipped from lines up with eBay. That way you don't get in trouble with eBay. We can also provide you, or they can also provide you with drop shipping agreements. So you have that when you place your first order if you need them. But there's all sorts of stuff here, right? Elephants, carvings. That's one supplier. Then you go over here, and I know this company has all sorts of stuff. They have, I think these are in the wrong category, but Anchor Hawking, Libby, Knob Creek, oh, the birds, more Libby, Granite Ware, Oster, all sorts of home appliances, etc., for kitchen, etc. So that is 3Com Hub. They also do, let me show you, FBA prep services. So if you have items you want to have prepped to send in to Amazon, whether you're buying via online arbitrage or whether you're buying wholesale from suppliers, they have FBA prep services to send your items in. They also have 3PL fulfillment services. So what that means is you store your items in their warehouse and they will ship the item to your customer when your customer pays. So 3comhub.com, check it out. If you are interested in buying wholesale, or if you are interested, God, the birds, if you are interested in wholesale drop shipping, there's going to be a lot more added to their site. We're excited to see it grow, and we have been selling the items already on platforms like Amazon, eBay, TikTok, and can't remember where else, but we've been selling their items already. So check it out, 3comhub.com. Remember the 3 coms. Okay, are e-commerce, wholesale drop shipping, and brick and mortar, and they can help you with any of those. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'm Poochie, and as always, I'm keeping it real.